number 2, we have burps and barbs. We have an 8-minute running clock. We're starting off with 3 minutes of burpees over your partner. So you're gonna go up and back, and then you'll just keep going like that for 3 minutes. That's 2A, and then right after that, we're going to 2B, 5-minute barbell complex of a hang clean, which you can do either a squat or a power, any position of that hang. Then you got a front squat. It's just the front squat. Shoulder overhead, you can do the push press, you can do strict press, push jerk, split. So again, 3 minutes, right into 5 minutes, 1 barbell, women's barbell. And then after 8 minutes is up, you're done. All right, so we have our douches demoing. So we're starting off with the burpees for 3 minutes, but they're gonna demo for 30 seconds. Again, you can either jump over or step over. And then they're gonna come back. We're doing this for the length of the barbell and back for 3 minutes. Again, this is a separate score from the complex. And once they finish up the length of the barbell, which is the next, this is the next 5 minutes, we'll start the complex. They are breathing hard right now. They are tired. They have their starting weight on the barbell already. So again, the hang clean, 90 position above the knee. It can either be a power or a squat. I'm just gonna do a front squat. And then either any form of the shoulder to overhead, fully locked at the top and down. And they will load their barbells themselves. So maybe use teamwork because it makes the dream work.
Yeah, walk away.
So again, from the hang, any type of clean. Front squat. Shoulders overhead. And then your score is your total weight between the two of you. And done.
Come on!